In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use WiseCard for the first time. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about what to do if you still need to activate your WiseCard. So I'm gonna go over the process of how to activate and manage your card afterwards. So the WiseCard is a multi-currency card designed to be a credit card that you can use worldwide. So I just want to make it very clear that for most countries, you don't need a separate activation step. All that you have to do is make a purchase using your chip and the PIN that you set up. As long as you make a purchase as soon as the card arrives, you will be good to go. Now, if you notice that you cannot make a purchase or you see instructions like this one, if you are in specific regions like Australia, Brazil, Japan, New Zealand, Philippines, Singapore, and the US, then you will need to activate your card through an additional step first. For most residents of these places that I mentioned, all of this can be done through the mobile app. So download the Wise mobile app from the Play Store or the App Store, and inside, whenever you choose the card option when you sign into your account, you will be able to find the activation panel. So choose the option to activate your card and then enter the necessary 6-digit code. As long as you follow the instructions here, you will be good to go. So this 6-digit code will be provided in the letter that came with your card, and when you go over to the card tab and choose activate, you will be able to input it. Once the card has been activated, make sure to load up your accounts with balance. There are a variety of currencies to choose from, and you can load cash in many different ways. Once the account has been loaded, you can also acquire a digital card if you prefer for convenience and add the card to digital wallets. You can add money to the card and see the details at any point, such as the card number, expiration date, and security code. But to keep it simple, to use your Wise card for the first time, try simply inputting your chip and PIN. If you notice that you have to activate the card because you are a resident of Australia, Brazil, Japan, New Zealand, Philippines, Singapore, or the US, then download the app and choose the option to activate under the card tab. I hope I was able to help you on how to use WiseCard for the first time. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.